Everyone, today we are going to make our own sigil symbols. You must have heard of sigil magic. So if not, then let's see what it is. So they're basically one of the most common kind of magic. Magic in terms of like we create these symbols on our own. It can be created with affirmations, with your name, with your like whatever your intention is, and we charge these symbols and create an new own reality. So basically, it is the art of using symbols in an imaginary way. It shows your creativity, it brings out your creativity. It is a meaningless shape and figure. Whatsoever will come, you will see in the at the end of the video, like how we are creating a symbol. So it will show as a meaningless thing, but it has lots of energies, lots of meaning inside it. So just don't ignore it, create it, and start using it. There are various symbols present online also. You can find them like many sigils online, but it's gonna be amazing if you will create your own sigil. Sigils are not good nor evil. You can't say that they are black, it's a black magic, or it's just a white magic. People use it for different purposes. It's all up to you how you are creating it, how focused you are, and how like what all you wanted to manifest with it. You can draw it on paper, you can take its print out, you can draw it on your own, you can draw it in the air daily, for whatever reason you have created it. So this is just an example to show you like how it is, like it comes out. It's a meaningless shape, but it looks like a symbol to you. So this is for I have a good luck. I have good luck. So this symbol is created for that affirmation. So today we'll see how to create our own name sigil. It will be really a fun thing. Just create it and share your reviews to me. And you can use it on your papers, near your signatures, near your documents. You can make it as your logo. You can use it in your manifestation notebook. You can add affirmations to it. You can do many things as per your creativity. There is no right and wrong thing to use these symbols. So now let's see how to create it. Hello everyone, let's see now how to create the sigil symbol. So here what we have done is, I took a name Magic Heal. This is the name of my Hindi channel. So here what I have done is I have reduced all vowels. I have cut down the vowels. As you can see, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining alphabets I have written down here. So it's M, G, C, H, L. Now I have created a circle with A, B, C, D. Just a simple circle. You can create it the way you want. It's not necessary that A should start from here only. You can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from anywhere. But it should be like, it's just a circle, and it should be complete circle with all the alphabets. So now all you have to do is just match them. M to G, G to C, C to H, H to L. You can join them in sequence, you can change the sequence, it's all up to you, it's all your creativity, it's your symbol, so use it the way you want it to, and create it and make it on a paper and save it. So there is a particular process to it. You need to charge this symbol also to utilize it in a best manner, so that you can learn from my course. There's a very short course which you can join, and just draw it. Feel free to ask if you have any queries, and see the magic. Make this symbol for your name, for your business name, for whatever you want it to. And if you have any queries, always contact me. Thank you. So now as we have created it, you wanted to know more about this course, because there is a lot more to be done after creating this symbol. Like you need to charge it, you need to do certain things to make it more powerful. So you can contact me, or you can see the description box for the same. Thank you so much.